Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. Can you say it with me? Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. Good morning, boys and girls. Hope you said good morning, Mrs. Rivera. All right, so if I was writing it in a short date, I would say 5-7-2020. Today is the 157th day of school, so I have 100, 5 tens, and 7 ones. If I was writing it in expanded form, I would say 100 plus 50 plus 7 would give me 157. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. January, February, March, and April, May, and June, and July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in a year. All right, let's take a look at our calendar piece today, friends. If you look over here, it doesn't tell us where we're starting, so we're gonna look and see where we landed yesterday. Yesterday we colored 26 orange because we were at 56 and we went back 30, we landed on 26. Now our calendar piece today is interesting. It just tells us what our end number is going to be. It says our end number is going to be 48. It is our job to figure out how we got there, okay? So they're just automatically saying, boom, you are coloring 48 purple. Okay, so we have a purple 48 here. You are coloring 48 purple. What did we do to get there? So we started at 26. Let's see. Correct. We went down 2, right? We went down 2. So our arrow's going down 2. So that would be 10, 20. Now let's see what we did here. Over 2. So plus 20 plus 2. So if you look at it all together, we have 26 plus 22 equals 48. The 2 arrows gives us 20. The 2 arrows going that way gives us 2. 26 plus 22 equals 48. And that's our ending number today, is 48. Little tricky. They gave us the answer and said, you find the problem, right? And we'll be doing some things like that throughout the month, where sometimes they will give us different parts of it. Kind of all different kinds of puzzles, right? Okay, here we are with our money. What coin has Abraham Lincoln on the head side? I'm going to give you the person today. Okay, I heard somebody shout penny, and I heard somebody say it's worth 1 cent. You're absolutely right, it's worth 1 cent. Okay, I'm going to mix it up. Head side is George Washington. You're right, quarter. What's a quarter worth? We're gonna do our quarters in a minute. You're right, 25 cents. Okay, Thomas Jefferson. He's on the head side of the, you're right, nickel. And a nickel is worth 5 cents, absolutely. All right, last one, FDR, Franklin Delano Roosevelt. You are right. He's on the dime, and what's a dime worth? You are absolutely right, a dime is worth 10 cents. Now, moving on to our quarter collection. Our first day we had 1 quarter. Our second day we had 2 quarters. Our third day we had 3 quarters. Today's our 4th day that we are doing this, and we have 4 quarters. So let's sing that rhyme we like to sing. 25, 50, 75, $1. 25, 50, 75, $1. So if I have 4 quarters in my pocket, I know that it is equal to what? You are right, it's equal to $1 bill. Now I could write it 100 with a cent sign, but we really don't see people do that, do we? We see them write $1.00, and that shows us $1. And down here I just broke it down. Quarter plus quarter plus quarter plus quarter equals $1. 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 equals $1, right? And we are going to keep adding those quarters. All right, today I'm going to take the clock, and again, I'm going to do something a little bit different with it. I'm going to say like this. I'm going to say, hip hop, what's the time on the clock? Okay, if you just yelled 12 o'clock to Mrs. Rivera, give yourself a pat on the back. Awesome. Hip hop, what's the time on the clock? Oh, nice, 3:30, good. Hip hop, what's the time on the clock? Who said 9 o'clock? Thumbs up, nice job. Hip hop, it's, don't be fooled, it's what? You're right, 6 o'clock. Hip hop, what's the time on the clock? Here it is, what's the time on the clock? You are right, it is 5:30. Hip hop, what's the time on the clock? Oh, good job, boys and girls, 10:30, excellent, very good job. Okay, so a couple examples really quick. Our signs from the other day, greater than, less than, or equal to. I have 10 Pokemon cards. Aiden's got 50 Pokemon cards. Who's got more? You are right, Aiden has more, he has 50. So I need a less than sign. And I make a less than sign by making sure that the mouth is open to the 50 and the less part is to the 10, the greater part is to the 50. This is a less than sign. 10 is less than 50. Okay, so Aiden has 50 cards, but Noah's got 65 cards. Who's got more? You're right, Noah's got more with 65. We want that sign open to the 65, so we say 65 is greater than 50. Okay, Noah's got 2 quarters, count them for me, 25, 50. Aiden's got 5 dimes, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Who's got more money? Tricky one, you're right, they have the same amount, 50 and 50. What sign am I putting in between here? You are absolutely right. I am putting an equal sign. All right, well, as I promised, we're going to do a little puzzle solving today. We're going to solve a hidden picture. Okay, I have my number grid, and I have some different colors here. And we're going to start with a color purple. And the first thing that we're going to color for purple is 5 plus 10. And I know if I'm at 5... and I add 10, what am I at? You're right, I'm at 15. So I know 15 is purple. Okay, now my next one is 44 plus 10. So I go to 44, right here, and I add 10. What is it? You're right, 54 is purple. Okay, my next problem on the sheet is, I'm crossing them off as we go along so we don't get confused. 24 plus 10. You are right, 34. And the thing you have to be really careful on the hidden pictures is that you take your time and you don't make a mistake, because once you color it, it's kind of hard to uncolor. All right, next one is 33 plus 10. If I'm at 33 and I add 10, what am I at? You are right, I am at 43. I wonder what we're making here. Okay, next one, 55 plus 10. Here's my 55 plus 10. You're right, 65. Okay, next one, 6 plus 10. Oh, those are quickies, right? 6 plus 10, 16. I know when I'm going 10, I'm just going down that 1, right? 16 plus 10. So 16 plus 10. You're right, I heard somebody shout it out, 26. All right, now my next one, 14 plus 10. Here I am at 14 plus 10, 24. I wonder if it'll be symmetrical. Next one, 37 plus 10. So here I am at 37, adding 10. You're right, we're at 47. Wonder what we're making. 34 plus 10. 34 plus 10. Purple was throwing me off there for a second. 34 plus 10. 17 plus 10. What is it, friends? Oh, I heard somebody yell out 27. Anybody have any guesses yet? All right, next one is 15. I was having a hard time seeing it upside down. 15 plus 10. Okay, next one, 38 plus 10. Okay, here's my 38, add 10. I'm using my smelly markers. This smells really good right now. Okay, next one, 45 plus 10. Here's my 45 plus 10. Okay, next one, 23 plus 10. Here's my 23, add 10. What are we at? You're right, 33. Next one, 46 plus 10. 46 plus 10 is 56. Okay. 56 plus 10, so right where we were, plus 10 more. Okay. Staying in the same spot. I wonder what we're making here. All right, 27 plus 10. 27's right here. It's purple already. Plus 10 is 37. Those look a little bit symmetrical here, I think. Okay. Next one we have is 47 plus 10. Here's my 47, adding 10, 57. And then my last one is 28 plus 10. Okay. Does look a little bit balanced. All right, so that's it for my purple. All right, let's take a look here. Now we're gonna do some orange. Orange, take a look. Oh, we gotta be careful here because these are not all addition now for our hidden picture. Some of these are, or these, 2 of these are subtraction and 2 of these are addition. First one is 55 minus 10. So I'm going to 55 and I'm taking away 10. Minus 10 is, you got it, 45. Wonder what we're making. Okay, take a look. All right, next one is 46 minus 10. So here's 46 minus 10, 36. Next one is 25 plus 10. So there's 25 plus 10. And our next one is 36 plus 10. 36 plus 10, you're right. Oh, I think I might know what this is. What about you guys? Almost done with our hidden picture here. All right, going down to the bottom, we have some greens. 83 minus 10. 83 minus 10. Here I am at 83. Minus 10 is 73. 87 minus 10. 87 minus 10. 77. 85 minus 10. 96 minus 10. 95 minus 10. 105 minus 10. 105 would be right here, minus 10, right? And 94 minus 10. Oh, I think I see it. What did we make there? What was our hidden picture? Nice job, guys. We made a flower. So if you get a hidden picture, you want to make sure that you take your time. If I'm adding 10, I'm going downwards. If I'm subtracting 10, I'm going upwards, right? I want to be very, very careful when I'm making my hidden picture. Good job today. See you later.